P Makina is the biggest construction and earth-moving machine manufacturer of Turkey. P Makina operates with its two factories located in Ankara with total area of 800,000 square meters and has more than 1,000 qualified staff. Today, over 10,000 P Makina products have been sold all over the world for 50 years. P Makina provides high-quality products with affordable prices and high-level after-sales service to its customers. The current product range of P Makina are tower cranes, concrete batching plants, crushing screening plants, and concrete pumps.